Here are the tools and materials required to install this product. Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to install Weathertex products around a window. Of course, with Weathertex, you need 100mm ground clearance from sealed ground, your maximum 600 stud spacings, and your vapor permeable sarking. The next step is to go to your window and make sure it's taped properly. We don't want water getting inside your windows. Then your Weathertex will come into your window reveal. If you do have to cut your Weathertex, you do need to re-prime the edges with a tannin blocking water-based primer. From that point, we have a couple of options where you can use a Weathertex window surround or a LOSP timber to picture frame the window. Before that, you would be sealing it off with some flexible sealants. Then you're inserting your head flashing, which needs to be 50mm on each side of the window. Once you've got the window flashing in, you need to re-tape it across the top because we don't want water getting in the back of that head flashing. And then as you can see, we would need to measure and cut to insert that board into the window. Now Matt will come in and show you how to insert the board into the head flashing. You must ensure there is a 10mm gap from the bottom of the Weathertex to the head flashing. That's generally done with a packer, just to make it nice and easy. You do not want to sit the Weathertex down on top of the head flashing. So that's all done, thanks Matt. Now we'll shoot it off. Excellent, thanks Matt. Next up, we're going to show you how to install the WeatherGroove panel around the head flashing. Exact same process for our self-lock, which we did earlier. What we've set up here is a small Z flashing, because if you're going to put WeatherGroove on top of another Weathertex product, you do need to make sure it's waterproof. It also has a small line on it, which the board can sit down on. So Matt will come in now and show how it's inserted. He's actually cut round here for the window overhang, which you'll now push through, and still creating that 10mm gap. We don't want the Weathertex to sit down on top of the head flashing. Please ensure you have the 10mm gap. And lastly, we have our prime lock profiles. We've removed our Z flashing. The prime lock is our 19mm lapped weatherboard, but the same principles apply for cutting around the 50mm overhang of the head flashing. Matt will come in now and show us how it gets inserted. We still want to have our 10mm gap between the head flashing and the bottom of the plank. So now that that's been inserted, we can fire it off. Thanks, Matt. For New Zealand, we have major changes to the previous demonstration.